Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Smartsheet to send reminders via email. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Smartsheet account and navigate to the sheet you want to use for sending reminders. In the upper right corner, click on the Automation drop-down menu. Select Create a Workflow from the options provided. Choose the option Send Approval Request or Send Reminder depending on your needs. In the Workflow Editor, start by naming your workflow for easy identification. Set the trigger for when you want the reminder to be sent. You can choose options like when a date is reached or when rows are added. Next, specify the conditions for your reminder, if applicable. Choose the recipients for the email reminder. You can send it to specific people or dynamic assignees. In the message section, customize your email content. Add relevant details like due dates and action items. You can also include links to the Smartsheet for easy access. Preview your message to ensure everything looks correct. Once satisfied, click on Save to finalize your workflow. You'll be directed back to the Automations page where you can see your new workflow. Make sure your workflow is enabled. You can toggle this option if necessary. Test your workflow by either waiting for the trigger or manually modifying the conditions. Check your email to verify that the reminder has been received as intended. Finally, monitor the workflow's performance and make adjustments if necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.